Hi guys, I was gifted this double-sided black tape from the seller to show you all its cool features. So it's 18 feet long. You can cut it to size. It's great for hanging posters or signs, whatever you need double-sided tape for. So let's just cut, you just cut off a piece. I got a sign I want to hang up. This is my wife's gym area. So we're going to put the double-sided tape on and take that off, and we can put up our poster. And there you have it. It's all done. So it's that easy. So if you guys need some double-sided tape, this is heavy-duty tape, so it'll hang up whatever you need it to. So go ahead and get your roll. It's great to have around the house for whenever you want to hang something up. Thanks.